dogs and broken boots, screaming tales from 72, painted saints with leather crowns, buying youth in a world burned down. They said, "You're mine, I'll teach you rage," but sold us cheap on the NGO stage. Fame for food, pain for pride, we wore the leash, we locked inside. But I won't crawl, I was born to rise. Not a pet for sale under pixel skies. Put me through the storm, not the show. I want the truth, only trials know. Leashes or trials, make your call. One builds a cage, the other breaks the wall. The mentors hide in ruined halls, writing maps in bathroom stalls. They speak in myths and burning signs. In silent rites they realign. No applause, no stage, no fame, just a sacred ancient flame. They say, fall once then fall again, until you rise a sovereign man. I won't kneel to a punk god lie. I'd rather starve than be sold high. I'll walk the path where legends fall, where pain is real and masks are small. Leashes or trials, make your call. One breaks the youth, the other builds them all. And somewhere deep Telemachus runs, not on screens but under suns, through mazes built from stolen dreams. He climbs the wreck of dead regimes. So burn the leash, ignite the night. Let the dogs howl, we'll win this fight. Raise your scars like rebel cries. We choose the trials, not the lies. Leashes or trials, we've made our call. We'll rise like roots through empire's fall.